Hey, what's up? Miguel Martinez Juarez here. And today I want to talk about Jeff Logan. All right, I just saw one of his videos and oh man, I don't know. Oh, I do know why I attracted it, and it's because the material that I teach on this channel, okay, on the mind. Yeah, I like he does fitness as well too. I do fitness too. But in his video where he's in, it's in 2012, and he's literally calling, speaking his life into existence, right? From mover to royalty, all right? From you could say from rags to riches, right? And man, his video was amazing, and it goes to show that what you think and feel, your feelings everywhere. Your whole body is feeling. You become. Okay, so what's important is not what's going on out here. What's important is your vision. What is your vision? What does your vision look like? Okay, and focus on it. My last video that I created, I did a formula, and every time I wake up, I see the notes of my whiteboard. So it's been really good for me. All right, so I encourage you to watch these videos over and over and over again. In Jeff Logan's video, you see you see him, in his truck, and he doesn't look like himself later, right? Because he loses a lot of weight and gets, more lean and muscular. But this is what he says. When you look at the mirror, you have to see the person you want to become, okay? Not the person you are at the moment, like, right? Physically. All right? And feel like the person. Because the moment you feel like the person that you have in your vision, you are that person, and you're manifesting, you're creating, you're attracting. Because emotion creates power. All right? Emotion. Now, I'm going to show you this right here. I'll make it simple, man. I'll make it simple. Like in sales, we call something when you talk on the phone, you want to say, or talking to somebody, you want to keep it simple, stupid. Kids, keep it simple, stupid. All right. Logan made it a great video, just made it simple. The moment when you see yourself in the mirror, see the person you want to become. So you're thinking, see yourself as a person you want to become, okay? Okay? And until you feel like that person, you won't ever become that person. Emotion, okay? You gotta start feeling like that person, and you gotta do this over and over again. Stay true to your vision. And he says this too as well. The only thing stopping you from getting your goal is time. That's it. As long as you focus on your thought of who you want to become and feel like that person now, so think, feel, and behave like that person now over and over and over again, magnetize everything you need, you manifest it. You manifest it, okay? It's law, okay? So, Jeff, if you're watching this, I appreciate you. I thank you for creating that video. And if you want to see this video, it's going to be below, okay? It's going to be below. You want to learn more about this stuff, so you get it over and over in your mind, check out my books, okay? They're in the description, all right? I hope you like this one, and thank you.